Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Here we want to talk about the story on how over 7 bishops on Tuesday led protesters to the National Agency for Food, Drug Administration and Control Office in Asaba, the Delta State capital, calling on NAFDAC to refrain from attacks on the senior prophet of Christ Mercyland Deliverance Ministry Abuja, Jeremiah Fufeye, over his spiritual products. According to the report, the protesters who were drawn from Fufeye's church and other Christian faiths besieged the NAFDAC office with different inscriptions on placards, despite the heavy rain, to register their grievance over the attack on Prophet Jeremiah. Now, I have to admit that I'm aware of the running battle between Prophet Jeremiah and TikTok personality, very dark man, over the efficacy of the spiritual products of this prophet Jeremiah. Now, but the issue that I brought up here is for us to look at it. Is it the responsibility of the NAFDAC to regulate spiritual products, or is it supposed to regulate only physical products? We know that NAFDAC, by its name alone, we know that their responsibility is to regulate food and drug administration in Nigeria. But how do NAFDAC regulate somebody who produces water or soap and say, if you drink this water, it's going to make you wealthy. If you use this soap to bath, it is going to make you invisible. Nobody can kill you. Nobody can attack you and succeed. This soap, if you bath with it, you are going to be wealthy. You'll be attracting money from right, left, and center. Money will just be rolling towards you. How does NAFDAC regulate such a product? Or if NAFDAC cannot regulate it, who else should regulate it? Or are we to say that those who sell these spiritual products are on a free rein? They can produce anything they like and sell to anybody. Is it a question of willing seller and willing buyer? As long as you believe in the water you are being sold, that if you drink it, it's going to remove all the sicknesses and diseases in your body, that NAFDAC had no role to play, because that water is is different from the water that ought to have been regulated by NAFDAC, because it was not an ordinary water. It is a spiritual water that is supposed to help you solve spiritual problems. Can NAFDAC regulate it? If NAFDAC cannot regulate it, or is not in a position to regulate it, who should regulate it? It's a very important issue to look at, because one, some people have been deceived and conned by buying some of these products, spiritual products. There are also those who can tell you that these spiritual products have helped them to solve their spiritual problems, that the challenges they were facing in their life in one area or the other, that when they use this, drank this water, this holy water, this blessed water, this anointed water, that their problems disappeared and they became new people. There are those who will also say that when I use this soap to bath, I became very wealthy. I don't used to have customers before. I don't used to have patronizers before. When I started using this soap, this spiritual soap given to me by my prophet, life changed for me. I began to succeed in every area of my life. I was stagnated. I couldn't be promoted in my workplace. I was using this soap to bath, and now I'm being promoted. I'm now a top man. I'm in top management of my company. So who should regulate all this? Or is it that nobody should regulate it? Because from this protest we are seeing, they are saying that NAFDAC lacks the capacity to regulate spiritual products. Ordinarily, it looks like that because NAFDAC was not established to regulate spiritual things. It was established to analyze products that can be subjected to laboratory tests to be able to find out their efficacy, their usefulness to the body, so that they do not harm the body. Even if it is soap, it is to test whether the chemicals used in producing the soap is good for the human body in the first place. There are many soaps that are banned by NAFDAC. There are many bottled waters that are banned. There are many pure water sachets that were pure water producers that they have been closed down by NAFDAC because NAFDAC can subject their product to laboratory tests. What kind of laboratory test will NAFDAC subject a soap that they said if you use it to bath, if you I prayed over this soap, go and use it to bath, you will be attracting money from all over the place. You will have more customers than ever before. How do NAFDAC regulate it? I'm not going to take side on this matter, but I want to hear your own view. What is your position on this matter? Do you think that NAFDAC has a right to regulate all products, whether spiritual or non-spiritual? Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.